Let's make this matching set. It is such an easy tutorial to follow and great if you're a beginner. The shorts are made out of the Ada Lounge set pattern, and the top is a self-drafted pattern, but I promise you can do it because it's just 2 rectangles sewn together. For your materials, you'll need 2 yards of linen or the fabric of your choice. You'll need the Ada Lounge set pattern, and you're going to be using the pants for this to turn into shorts. You'll also need elastic. To turn the pants pattern into a shorts pattern, you want to measure where you want your shorts to finish on your leg. You can also do this by measuring a pair of shorts that you already like the length of. Add 1 inch to this length, and then you're going to come over to your pants pattern and measure from the bottom of the pants up to this measurement. You're going to do this on both the front and the back panels of the pants and draw a straight line across the pattern. Then you're going to follow the original pants pattern steps that is laid out in a previous video, and you can also find the step-by-step instructions in the pattern itself.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no
For the top, you need 2 measurements. You want the measurement around your bust and the measurement of right above the bust to where you want your top to end. I measured this right where a high-waisted pants would lay on me, and you can always hem this later if it's too long. Now take your bust measurement and multiply that by 3. And you're going to then divide that in half. This will give you your new measurement for the front and back panels of your top. Once you have cut out your front and back panels, you can fold up the bottom hem twice, and this will make sure that you're creating a nice clean hem. Before sewing all the way around the hem, I recommend lining up the side seams of the front and back panel and sewing at 1/2 inch. Now you can go all the way around and hem the bottom of the shirt. You're going to have a very large rectangle at this point, but don't worry, we're going to put elastic in and that will make the top. For the top, I serged all the way around the top of the large rectangle, and then I measured my elastic and folded over a channel for the elastic to slide in between. Sew all the way around your top at this measurement. And then you're going to pin the elastic in place and slide the elastic through the channel with a safety pin. Keep scrunching and stretching this elastic in your fabric until you reach the other side. Make sure you don't twist the elastic while you're stretching it out. Once you've reached the other side, you can join your elastic together with a zigzag stitch. Close up this opening with a straight stitch. Now for the straps, measure from the front of your bust to the back of where your bra line usually starts, and you want to double this measurement. Take this measurement and cut a rectangle that is 2 inches wide, and this will be your straps. Repeat this process for the second strap. And then you're going to fold in the straps and iron this closed. This will create a channel for your elastic to slide into. Then you're going to sew at the bottom of the elastic to the bottom of the strap. Holding the strap in one hand and the elastic in the other, sew along the side seam of the strap, and you're going to enclose the elastic. While you're sewing, you want to hold onto the elastic and keep stretching it out to make sure you are sewing the side seam correctly. You might have to sew this a little slower, but don't worry, it will create the perfect strap. Once you're finished with your strap, you can trim off the excess amount and add it to your top. Measure where you want your straps to land. I think it's easy to measure on an existing bra that you have, how far apart the straps are on your bra, and then you can measure that to your top. So pin this in place and sew your straps to the top of the elastic top. Now you have a breezy, super comfortable set that is perfect for the summer. I have loved wearing this and I plan to make it in many different colors. If you're looking for another easy elastic dress tutorial, you can click this next video.